Hi there, this is June the 9th, and I'm working on La Bestioni, the Fiat, and I had to bend a 10-foot, 2.5-inch pipe, and there's a lot of ways to skin a cat, and this happens to be one of them. Just wanted to show you how we do this, or how I'm doing it. I'm kind of by myself today, and it needed to be done. I want to see what I can do on this. So I put small clamps around the table on it, and then taped it, and then been bending it around, and then I'll relieve it a little bit, and that'll give me my correct curve, which is basically this one here. It's so incredibly close to the one that I came up with that I just used the table instead. So just to show you what's going on.